Hey, good evening. Julio Lopez here with individual task number 3. We have made some, let me share my screen real quick here. We have made some progress. I finally connected the back end with the front end with the database. Let me see. As you can tell right here, there's no connections yet happening. So I'm gonna test it out real quick to prove that it's already running. Let me see. I also created the login page in order to do this. Let's run a server real quick. Um, Let me see. No, this. Yes. Okay, there you go. It's connected to the database. Let's see. Open the port 3000 to test it out. Host 3000. There you go. I haven't done any extensive CSS styling since I just wanna try to test it out the back end, the front end with the database, and to see if I can get the login credentials and registration. So if I click here registration, I'm able to register the user. As an example, I'm gonna put like Josue, last name, uh, Castillo, any date of birth. Let's see here. Let's try any year. Hold on. Month. Okay. Then 2000. Then let's assign a user. Also, password. We're gonna use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And email just any email. So gmail.com. Any phone number. Register. Okay. Now to see if it was registered successfully, I can go to my Jupyter notebook that I created here. So here I can see these two usernames. There's one that I had created, but it's not here, so I haven't refreshed it here. So when I refresh this code right here, it should show the new one that I just created and a new one that I haven't refreshed in here yet to the database. Let's see if it works. I'm gonna select my Python environment, Python 3.12. There you go. So it should be right, Josue Castillo, right here. So you can tell also I encrypted the password, so for privacy of the user. But this proof that is currently going in saving it to the table persons. If I go to the database and refresh here, it says zero connection. If you have refresh, it should say that it should be a connection. There you go. Connection 1 that is successfully connected to the database and running. When it goes right here, I also added some parameters. Let's say if I try to log in with Josue, and then the password was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think should give me a welcome message once I log in. There you go. But if I let me Jesus Christ for this. Anyways, if I log out and try Josue again with the wrong password, it should give me an error. Or if I use an account that it doesn't exist, it should give me another error too. So that's what I was able to do so far. But as of right now, yeah, it's working as intended. And in the next phase, it's gonna be like because I had to create some EGA file, which is HTML combined with JavaScript language to simplify things. I'm gonna try to for the next phase to connect using the primary keys to the other table in order to use uh, the dashboard, which once I'm connect the other table with the database and run everything through, I should be able to update all of this and connect this page and make it work with the new data that we're gonna be inputting into the system. But so far, it's working smoothly. Another thing is that we successfully also push the progress through the GitHub repository. This is my branch that I was testing out my side, and I was able, once I commit my changes, I was able to create a pool where Jonathan was able to accept it and added all the files. We can see it here, like the server.js, which is a new file that I created, and also the view files that should be here. EGS, yeah, they went through successful already. So we were already we were able to use and push all the changes through the GitHub repository using git push and all the parameters successfully. Um, yeah, but the next step is gonna be just connecting the other table using the primary keys and trying to make the dashboard functional, which is not working right now. Only the login page and the registration, which is a great a step ahead. And now that we have successfully done that, so the other stuff should be a little bit easier. It's gonna be more intensive, but a little bit easier. I hope you find this information very helpful, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.